Jade Law, 3 years MDRT member. She will be sharing the topic, Insurance Trust.
Good morning, MDRT and experienced MDRT. Thank you for taking time to join us today. You guys are the one who take initiative to be great in life. For that, please give yourself a big round of applause. I'm Jade Lau. My topic today is Insurance Trust. My friends, I will empower you a simple and effective way to share about how Insurance Trust benefit your clients so that increase your case size as well. Allow me to talk to you like a prospect. Is that all right? Yes. Thank you. Okay. Mr. Prospect, life is full of uncertainty. Things can happen in a blow. Your life can change with a wink of an eye. What if one day something bad happened to you? I'm sure your number one worry is your family. Will your family member suffer on the delaying of estate distribution? And can your beneficiary able to manage a lump sum of insurance proceeds or estate? So, Mr. Prospect, do you know when a person passes away, all his or her assets will be frozen? Do you wish your distribution method become public and make known to the whole world? Can you imagine, Mr. Prospect, if an unforeseen event happened to your spouse while your children still are minor? And have you ever thought you name your spouse as nominee and vice versa? What happened to the policy if both are not around? And not forgetting that, how your minor children get the money. The most important thing is who will claim the insurance proceeds on behalf of your minor children. Will that person hand over all the money to your children when they turn 18? Lastly, what if your beneficiary simply spend all the money or being squandered? By the way, I'm still talking to you like a prospect. Okay. Mr. Prospect, do you know when a person passes away, all the tax and debts owed by the deceased must be settled before distributed to the beneficiary as inheritance? Definitely, the wealth will shrink. Actually, all the concern and worry that you have can be resolved by setting up insurance trust. By setting up insurance trust, your beneficiary will be able to inherit immediate cash to pay off the living expenses and debts. Besides that, you can name anyone or an organization as well as state how and when the payment to be made. Mr. Prospect, for your information, all the policies are transferred to the trust company, and they are separate from the central estate. Therefore, the insurance payout can be made quickly without go through tedious court procedure. As we know, probate is public process. Everyone can access the document. On the contrary, the content of the trust is highly private and confidential. And you can avoid any dispute among the beneficiary. Okay. Dear fellow audience, are you still with me? Okay. Actually, I'm still talking to you like a prospect. Okay. Mr. Prospect, you as a settlor, you can leave a clear instruction in the trust deed, mention how the insurance proceeds should be used for your minor children, for their maintenance, education, or medical expenses. Of course, you can appoint trust company to manage the insurance proceeds. Moreover, all the insurance proceeds are well protected from creditors and third-party claims, as well as insolvency. Lastly, all the insurance proceeds are tax exempted. Mr. Prospect, You know how much money you have, but you never know how much time you have. Insurance trust is the fastest and economical way to create emergency fund for your family. Thank you.
Okay.